We get there when we get there. Regardless, though. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. All right, cool. Yeah, we're building a PC. Yeah. Cool.
Wait, hold up. Don't just dig in. Have a plan. There's 8 parts. Actually, there's more because of Mr. Fans here.
Goddamn right.
Think for like 2 minutes. That'll save 2 days of pain. You got this.
Well, you know what?
You've done this before. I believe in him.
First off, what I probably want to do is show off the parts that I'm using.
Yeah,
I just thought about that. I'm a genius sometimes.
So today
so motherboard
we have
here,
the
processor.
13th generation Intel Core i5-13600K. This is an overclockable processor on Intel's latest Raptor Lake platform on the LGA 1700 socket.
A lot of words.
Joking.
Time to cry.
Nah, because
Right.
the thing is, like, when I'm in the role that like I'm most comfortable, I main
Who gets for
Orin.
this shit?
Oh, you play Orin. Orin's
Yeah.
55 win rate right now, right?
Let's look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh my
But
god.
like,
Oh shit. No promises. No promises. Alright, so got this going. We're building in a Lian Li O11 Dynamic
for the
case.
guy.
Beautiful case.
Oh my god.
oh yeah, I don't think you ever showed me what the case looked like.
Oh, well,
It's the same case that every other weed gamer uses.
hey.
No, he was actually planning on getting
I was actually planning on going more weed.
Oh my. Hey, I must.
Like it,
I love it. I think it's
or sorry,
a lot of
an
personal-
anime like
Case.
from a VTuber, like
Oh.
there.
Yeah.
So okay, for the cooler compatibility, you want positive air pressure. Okay.
Do you have
I
it,
think
like-
I was putting the AIO here.
Well, you
Does it,
have
like on the website?
this guy has 25 fans.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter what the layout is. He's got to fill up every single fan slot.
Pretty much.
Hold out your hand real quick. Take the L.
Oh.
So the only thing that I am nervous about, because I haven't worked with an Intel processor, so just need some help.
No, this is easier.
No, just removing that, because like I don't want to put too much pressure on it.
Hold up. First get everything. You got your RAM.
I got the RAM, I got that.
I also have to go in while you're doing this. Get the power supply ready. Gotta get the stickers off, guys.
Always gotta peel your
It won't work.
stickers. Can you do this part for me?
You said you want to do everything, and you're
See,
making
here's
the
the thing.
main thing.
Oh no, I just need help with the latch, because like I'm used to
Okay,
the
I'll
AM.
help.
It's because like
Let me just take this out.
I'm known to put a little too much force sometimes.
No, it needs force. If you want to always watch you do it. Alright, how to install an Intel LGA 1700 processor.
I just need that. I need help with that. Yeah, okay, there we go. There we go. See, that's the one part I was scared about. Everything else I'm okay with. It's just I am completely afraid of that.
So you a bit.
Goddamn right I am.
Alright, now that we got that settled.
You good with this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you the orientation. You'll put it in.
I know for Intel it's just like that.
You got it. Just read the text.
I never learned how to read.
Okay, so you do a little wiggle.
Yeah, I gave it the wiggle test already,
Okay.
and it passed. Or does it just do it itself? I know that pops off by itself.
It does pop off. So this has to sit down.
So you have to put a bit of pressure on it then.
Like a surgeon. No.
Wiggle test. Look, it should be sitting there. Wow. It's just a plastic.
Goddamn right.
Okay. Everything's good.
Okay, cool.
Alright, fans. This is a crucial P3 NVMe solid state drive. It's 2 terabytes. It's really fast. I think this one's about 3,000 megabytes per second reads and writes.
I think so.
I think higher than 3,000, right?
What? Okay.
It's really easy. Putting it in
Oh, motherfucker.
like this.
Yeah, I know. It's,
Don't bend it like a taco.
bend it like a taco?
Yeah.
Say less.
Bend it.
There
Taco
we
Tuesday.
go, baby.
And then
And
header's not operating on me. It's a life-saving emergency.
oh, don't worry. I won't be operating on anybody. If you ever need me to commit an operation on you, just don't. Just like enjoy your final moments with your eyes open.
Hey, Ken.
And
Instead of paying for the next 30 years.
So Pedro, how's the sponsoring? sponsor coming.
It sure is. It sure is. Haven't heard from them in like
Years.
years.
So you want to line up the notches. These are DDR5 sticks, right?
Yep.
Okay. The DDR5 memory. Would you like me to double check your work before pushing it?
I mean, you sure could. Everything looked solid. It's like now.
No, it's off. Didn't you?
Is it?
Did the wrong way.
Shut up. You for real? My setup is like
No.
great. Okay.
Like
Setup is
my
great.
setup from college was like mobile.
Tied up. Okay.
I mean, wait.
Anything back here?
Realistically, all we're gonna need is the cable up here, and then this
24
one,
pin,
right?
yeah.
24 pin, and then
Yeah, 8.
yeah, the 8 pin.
It just be I take the camera and hold it.
No.
Hey, whatever works, you know.
Yeah, well,
Don't know how it's gonna sound.
I assume it's
So I
lit.
just need the water block on here. You don't even need to
There
screw
we
it down.
There we go.
You just need the water block. Don't even screw it down.
Okay. Oh, we got light. Yeah, baby.
Check if it boots.
So happy that you got this
DRAM?
on footage.
It's doing memory training, so it's gonna take some time because you have a lot of memory. It's gonna take a minute for the first boot because you have a lot of memory. It needs to train the memory.
Yeah, because it is 64 gigs.
Yeah, come on. It does. It should take a long time. I know that. This should, in theory, be normal. Oh, I think I know.
Oh no! What is it? It's in here. Yeah.
This is a 13th generation processor. This is a 690 board. It might have an old BIOS that doesn't support
So
13th.
you're telling me you
Only
gotta
12
flash
gen.
the BIOS?
Yeah, but you need a work 12 gen processor.
Yeah.
I think I figured it out. That actually might be the problem.
And this is
It
what?
needs an updated product because it's not 790. It's 690.
Oh.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to start a computer company. My job is to help guys like you get up and running.
That was
ASAP.
Yeah, also known as dumbass.
Dumbass.
Oi!
Yeah?
It's dumbass 1 to you, sir. Alright, what's up? We're in the car. We had a little bit of a problem. We had encountered something, probably a BIOS issue. So we're driving to Micro Center. And yeah. Now we're going to try to buy a new CPU, try to see all of that. It's going to be a 12th gen. Mine was a 13th gen.
I think I got a 790 motherboard, so we can test your processor and my motherboard.
Okay, that I mean, if we need to, yeah, we sure can.
Yeah, that'd be a quick way to test the CPU's correctly. We just want to validate as many parts as possible.
Yeah.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
I hope
Damn,
everyone's
what a
okay. I hope your PC is okay at the end of this.
Well, at this point, I don't know. The paramedics might be here because of my PC. So,
Honestly.
I don't know. Paramedics are here. Cops are here. I don't know what the fuck's going on. So this thing about 128 gigs for 11 bucks. Oh, honestly, I might just take that.
So we're getting back from Micro Center. We got some replacement parts just for emergencies. We got a 12400 i5 12th gen. We also got a Z790 motherboard. So this way we can test Pedro's 13th gen processor. And we can also put a 12th gen processor in his motherboard. Do some more tests. We'll get back to you. All the test results. Yeah, you need a
There
BIOS
we
update.
fucking go.
So I suspect there's a BIOS update.
Woo, baby.
Q Flash is how you update BIOS. So you should
Okay.
just put files on.
So just plug it in. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that.
So yeah, we're getting quick.
I've just never known how to troubleshoot it, so I just
Well, today it's the instant boot because the memory's turned up.
yeah, that was
It's
actually.
probably restarting.
Oh, wait. Hey, move out of the way. Move to the side. Camera.
Sorry. I
Okay.
forgot the audio
We're recording. Oh, what is this? Here you go.
mapping table. Oh, it automatically detected the
Oh.
BIOS.
Oh shit, that's fucking cool.
Let's see here. I've actually modded gigabyte BIOSes before. Just do not power this off while it's updating.
Oh, of course.
Or so
You never want to do it. Oh, the
You'll
logo.
software break the motherboard.
So we don't need
Is
this
that
anymore.
the new one? Or
That's mine.
This is
Okay.
theirs.
Yeah.
I already
Yeah.
I use
okay,
the
okay.
new one
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's an older one.
Yeah,
I use the new one because it's an old one.
Yeah.
New old.
Classic.
Yeah. Computer cards.
They're just dumb rocks that we tricked.
True,
Just
yeah.
dumb rocks that we trick to do math.
Yeah.
Fucking love computers.
You
for
can't
that
even do
reason.
division.
Yeah.
Oh, he's passed RAM already. This is your processor, by the way, 13.
Yeah, I know.
Compatible.
Fucking let's go. This
Yeah.
is the USB.
This is what he's giving me for Windows.
Show that to.
Guys, what am I gonna do with them? We'll change it back.
Alright, chat. We are back.
And anyways, when I put it here, I mainly just see the Predator logo. I actually don't see like any logo.
I've installed Windows at least like 5 months.
Jesus
Probably
Christ.
higher.
I've only done it like what? This is the third, and I'm not even the one really doing it.
Thing cool. They just look cool. I think they look. You're so screwed.
So what, Windows 11? Yeah, but that's the thing. By the time we do that, we'll put it on my desk and plug it into Ethernet.
A few more times.
For practice.
Yeah, practice, not trying to.
Yeah, you don't need washers on the fan side because it's not gonna touch metal.
Good enough.
How my life has become just collection of music.
Just Anson.
And like my favorite sound bites.
Yeah. Remember 2013 with the MLG just flashing like the trick shots.
I want to undo this one first.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark.